Okay, so that's the beginning of Rock and Roll Ain't Noise Pollution by AC/DC from the Back in Black album. We're gonna have this riff 1 and open, G string 1 and open on the second string there. We're going to the 2 and 2 in the same 2 strings, G and B. And then 4 and 3 on the same 2 strings. So 1 and open, 2 and 2, 4 and 3. And then we're gonna hit the 2s, but we're also gonna hit this A bass. So that's why I'm doing these with my fingers up here in the beginning. Later we'll get into big chords, we won't need any fingers, but for this intro it's kind of soft a little bit, you know. Kind of eases into it. Okay, so. And then we go to that A bass. And then we're gonna hit that 4-3 with the A bass again. Little bend on that big 3. To an E, and then. That second time we're gonna go to the little bend on the 3 up to the E power chord, 7 on the A string, 9 on the D string. Okay, so we just repeat that a few times. We got and he always slides it down there. Okay, and then we get into the big chords. We're gonna have E to A. And then this one's gonna have like the A power chord part with the 4 and 3. So if you think that sounds kind of weird, you could just do the 4 and the 3, but it's like. Okay, so E, A. It's kind of a E minor 7 with an A bass, I guess, kind of thing. A. You could kind of think of it as kind of a B chord too, kind of a B minor type thing. But it's really just part of that kind of blues scale thing, just 3 different chords. So A, B. A. You can either go up here to that E chord again, or you can hit the low one too. So we got 3, 4. Okay, then we're gonna hold that one a little bit. We're gonna get into the main verse. Here we can go. So we have a kind of a pickup, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So there's 1 E power chord right before the new measure. So it's 3, 4 and 1. So we got the 2 and then the O to 4, back to the O to 2. Little bend on that 3 to the A chord. Okay, so it's gonna go 2, 4, 2, 4. And we're gonna do that pick up a note again on that E. So it's 3, 4. Okay, so we do that 4 times in a row, just the exact same thing. Then we're gonna come up here to the E power chord, to the D power chord, big B power chord, down to the E power chord again. E to D again, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, so we got to pick up on that A again. So we're gonna have E to D, B to E, E to D. And 1 and 2. See how we had the and of the 4 there? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. So once we hit that 1 and 2 and, we're back to that main riff. Another verse. E, D, and then B, E, E And then your solo rhythm is basically the verse. You could go to that 4 there to make it a little different. 4 in the A string. Or just... So that part's kind of the pre-chorus, and we got the chorus. This is kind of an interesting chord. It's kind of, you don't see that all that often, so it'll take a little bit of getting used to. Maybe it took a minute for me, you know. Okay, then at the end we're gonna have a double chorus. We're gonna have a triplet feel. It's gonna go. A, so E, E, A is the triplet. The last one's gonna go to D. A, then A, 3, hold that a little bit. You got a quick E there. So let's play some of these together real quick. I'll count it out. We're gonna come in on the 3 on this one. So I'll say 1, 2, bum, bum, bum. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2. Okay, then we're going to play this one, the big chords. 1, 2. Okay, let's go into that verse thing where we got after the 4, the and of the 4, we got ba-dum. We do that 4 times. So after the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we have these chords, E to D, B to E, E to D, and then dum-dum-dum-dum, riding on that A there. So 2, 3, 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. Chorus. At the end you got that. All right, AC/DC, rock and roll ain't noise pollution from Back in Black. Long live AC/DC, Malcolm Young, rest in peace. Peace out, y'all.